another set of dividends. I was thinking of some different stuff to buy. I wanted to get this reading light. And okay, what else should I do with the money? I should put on a games night. Yeah, I use the dividend to help pay for that. But then the night after I had left the supermarket buying the stuff for the games night, I think you had sent me a message. I looked at the phone. It was like on the seat, but like
Mm-hmm.
it was a red light, so the car had stopped. I was like, oh, let me look at this. And then yeah, a policeman saw me. So dividend ended up helping to cover that.
I hate paying tickets. I hate paying
Yeah.
tickets, man.
At least it's easy now. Like you can do it online. If you had
Yeah,
to
but
go
the
into
message you get at the end of that, it says, "Thank you for your contribution to national security," or something like that. I
it
don't remember
says
what
that.
it says, or nation development or something like that. Yeah, after you pay the
Oh.
ticket, that's like the message. And I'm like, yo, you just tell me about my parts, brethren. Like, nah. It's so like I wish it wasn't that. Like, I don't know. It's just like a slap in the face whenever I see that message.
Hmm.
I sound like I pay tickets often, but I don't. I promise, guys, I don't.
Yeah,
But yeah,
but I don't know. I found
my
it funny.
apologies.
I did end up
Mm,
buying the light eventually, but I just waited. And in some ways, maybe it was the right thing because I think I changed the light that I was initially gonna buy.